Good morning, guys. Mike and Kiki left yesterday night. Mike was in a emotional mood, I guess because he had to let go of his son. So yeah, they just went, I imagine, spending the rest of their money on coping mechanisms. So yeah, now we're gonna be completely broke, I imagine, but I'm just gonna get some to eat. Oh yeah, and then I went to the eye doctor. She couldn't do anything about that. I just have to hold like a warm, damp piece of cloth here for like 10 minutes and do these massaging moves to try and like fix it over. She said it could take months. Let's see. I'll show you guys half the stuff I actually do around here. I keep forgetting to film, these days. I don't know. I'm a little worried about money, knowing that the others have basically spent everything already. And knowing that they're too lazy to go pick up pent, like me, like picking up empty cans and bottles and recycling them. They're too lazy for that. So, yeah, I don't really know. I have a feeling I might just have to stick it out on my own this month, because I can tell you this much. I'm not going to be collecting pent for two grown adults, like collecting bottles for two grown adults who are just sitting there, not cooking, not cleaning. I mean, I understand Mike is contributing to the electronic system, but listen, it's not like I'm just getting that stuff for free, okay? I've had to be a full-time babysitter for 3 to 4 people at a time. So I've definitely earned that stuff, in my opinion. Because I'm not just gonna be some free Sherpa, I was about to pick some havregryn for breakfast, but instead I'm gonna have some cornflakes. I've not had these for years, guys. I miss them. Alright, let's go. Breakfast. Some sugar, some milk. I'm just watching this Danish show that I never really watched because it came out after I left Denmark. I've seen a little bit of it here and there. It's decent. I was supposed to fix my bicycle today, but Mike took it last night to go to... I don't even know where he went with Kiki. But yeah, I'm just sitting here and doing what the doctor prescribed. Just holding some hot water cloth up to my eye, and then he's kind of massaging it like this, the upper eyelid, massaging it down, and the lower eyelid, massaging it up. I have to do that for like 10 minutes per eye every day for months. Oh my god, it sucks. But I guess it's better than surgery. God fucking damn it. I'm sitting here in my tent, it's 1 o'clock at night. I'm talking to Stony and Jonas, our newest member, on voice chat, and all of a sudden the internet goes out because I haven't bought new internet. Well, I thought it would last for 30 days exactly, so I thought I had until, 12 hours from now, but now they just reset it at midnight, so... Basically, Mikey didn't come back like he promised me. Now he's gonna promise me that he's gonna show up in the morning. I don't believe him for a second, so... Basically... Well, I could leave now, but I don't want to walk out in the dark, I guess. And... I think it's better I just sleep here, eat some breakfast, and then tomorrow morning when I wake up, I'm just gonna pack down everything. And then I'm gonna have to walk 10 kilometers to get to the train station to get my bicycle, which hopefully hasn't been stolen, because I imagine he left the battery in it, which incentivizes people to steal the whole thing. So, yeah. I'm just gonna leave tomorrow morning, use the 200 Lasse gave me for, doing all that labor. I mean, I know it's not a lot, but we have eaten a lot of food and stuff. And I've been rubbing this thing all day, like, with a warm cloth, and it's only, like, swelling up and getting worse. Like, I think I'm gonna have to contact the eye doctor again. I don't think it's possible to do what she said of, like... just rubbing it with some warm cloth every day. Like, I don't think it's gonna amount to anything, so... yeah, I'm probably gonna contact the eye doctor again, just say, fuck it, let's just do the surgery. I don't care. Like, sure, I'll have some scarring, and she said it's more likely that it occurs again in the future. I'm just gonna have to deal with it then, because I don't want to look like this for months, you know? It's just... But yeah, I guess tomorrow morning I'm gonna eat some rolled oats with milk, pack my shit down, walk 10 kilometers to the train station, pick up my bicycle, and then just leave. And then whenever Mike hits me up, like, hey, where you at? Like, let's meet up. I'm just gonna be like, oh yeah, I'll come around tomorrow. And then the next day, I'm gonna be like, oh, like, yeah, don't worry about it. I'll be here tomorrow. You know, give him a bit of his own medicine, because this shit is just like, I don't want to be put on hold. I don't want to be parked somewhere. I'm a fucking person, you know. This is some bullshit. I thought we were doing this together, but really, this whole time it's just been about himself and his own hedonistic pleasures, and he's basically just using this stuff, like investing in the electrical setup and solar panels and all that stuff in the future, to hold on to me, you know. I don't think I can stand this much longer. I can save up for these things myself. I can go collect bottles and cans every day, and I don't spend as much money as he does, and like, I can live off of rolled oats and pasta, you know? So I can save up for these things myself. I don't really need him for it. I just wanted to do this with him, but he's too concerned with hedonistic pleasure, like women and, you know, different things you can consume, and yeah, I'm just not into it. I'm gonna do my own thing from tomorrow. I'm tired of this shit. And if he wants to follow me, like I've been following him, he can feel free, but I'm not gonna follow him again. I don't give a shit. It's gonna be my way or the highway. I'm done with this. His only hope is if he shows up here early in the morning like he promised me. Because one more broken promise, and I know I can't even rely on him investing in these things in the future in any meaningful pace. So, fuck it, okay? I'm gonna roll a cigarette, then I'm gonna go to bed. I don't have any internet. I ain't got shit. Good night, guys.